seem like tell me where I'm going. Is it heaven or hell? I just hope this message treats you well. Had a dream that I was born with the devil. Don't remember how it feels. I swear that I remember the smell. Took me right into my head. Told me everything I wanted could be mine if I gave up in the side of the cell. But I said I'd rather die than get mine. Now I'm here. Don't fear one man, but story to tell. Dear God, where was you when I needed it? When I fucked up. Like the book that they've been judging by a cover. I remember telling you my goals and my dreams, but you didn't even ask, so I get you. I remember standing with a gun to my head trying to ask you. I don't want to I think that's spirituality. I don't want church to repeat the call family. I don't want to keep my sense to never sit it just because you I don't want to read it in the book. I want to hear you. I don't want to word it in my God, the truth. I want to fucking read. Do I take this part and turn it into light? How do I believe in the consequences to a man I've never seen with my own two eyes? How do I know that religion wasn't made just to separate the people created from these guys just to keep us in these chains while the rich get richer and the poor pray to you perpetually lie? How do I know it's some big joke? How do I have faith when there is no hope? How the hell is one man at $100 billion and we still have street that there's a lot of things I want to talk about and get on my chest. I can't sleep because the devil won't let me rest. I used to know pastor in the church and I can still hear screams of the kids even fucking molest. I'm supposed to fear you, but you ain't said shit, so maybe you fear me. I don't know the answer, I just want to see it clearly. So all I want to know is who really made religion, because I know no more lies, no more death. Bring back facts. Please, dear God, let your soul rest. Protect you. Dear God, I don't want to have that forget. I just hope that you know that I'm still in the believe us all in. I say amen. I'm the $1 million. It's a getting up. Wow, y'all. stop believing.